Alright guys, as promised, here's the first of the two dedicated box breaks to start off my channel. This one is for Chris Benham, and it is a 2011 Topps value box with 5 update packs, a Bowman Chrome Hobby, a Diamond Anniversary giveaway card, and a Bryce Harper exclusive refractor. So here we go. We're going to save the Bowman Chrome and the Bryce for last, because those are really the only things of value in here. Alright. No, you can't have my diamond giveaway code card if you're wondering. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save those for last. Alright, here's the Topps update. Pablo Sandoval, Lonnie Chisenhall, rookie, Andrew McCutchen, David Ortiz, Johnny Venters, giveaway card, Jimmy Fox, mini, James Russell, and that ends out that pack. Pack 2. We've got Annie Sonnenstein, Dustin Mosley, Jeff Francis, Steve Pierce, Willie Harris, Pat Neshek, and a Diamond Anniversary of Scott Hairston, and Kosuke Fukudome. Pack 3. Brad Ziegler, Juan Uribe, George Sherrill, Brennan Ryan, DJ Lemieux, another code card, I like that. Babe Ruth Mini, I like that. That's for the PC. By the way, guys, I PC Yankees, New York Rangers, New York Knicks, and Denver Broncos. Those are my PCs. I'll put my list on my channel. Alright, and Corey Patterson. Pack 4. You guys are going to have to forgive me if I don't get the perfect angle on the cards. Ty Wigington, Hisanori Takahashi, Joey Devine, Brad Penny, Colby Rasmus, Rafael Furcal, Diamond Duos of David Price and James Shields, and an Aaron Heilman. Last pack of Topps update. Sorry for the camera fail there. We have Scott Linebrink, Jared Weaver, Todd Frazier, Miguel Tejada, Colby Rasmus, a ticket to Topps down of Neil Walker, Frank Thomas, Diamond Anniversary. That's a really cool card. I think that's a short print, too. And Prince Fielder All-Star. So that rounds out the update. Wasn't expecting much. Got at least the Babe Ruth Mini for the PC. That's nice. Alright. We'll do the Bryce first. Oh, yeah, the Bryce exclusive. Obviously, Diamond giveaways on the front. The worst one you can get is red, the middle is silver, and the best is gold. Let's see what we got. That looks like a gold. I can't tell if it's red or gold. I think it's red. Never mind. Would have been nice if it was gold, but I think it's red. These are not numbered, but they are retail exclusives, so just cool to hold on to. I do have a few things of Bryce, so not a bad card there. And we will finish with the Hobby pack, if I can get the little Hobby logo. There it is. the hobby pack of Bowman Chrome. Autographs are 1 in 18 for these, so that would be nice, and I would be happy with just a Bryce Harper base card. Here we go. Johnny Damon, Brandon Laird, Rob Brantley, and, a blue, Alex Rios, numbered to 150. Alright, you know what, for a free pack, that's pretty good. Alright, that ends out the Chris Benham first box break dedication. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll be back soon with round 2 for Illicit J Moss, the Topps Chrome Football Blaster. Thanks, guys.